Today I'm out here with John on a really exciting project out here at People's Church. John, why don't you tell us about what you guys did?
We were invited to bid on this project from the general contractor, and we were fortunately awarded the project. So really excited to be part of this. It was ready for an upgrade, so we were proud to be part of the project.
One of the most exciting things about this project, I think, are the labyrinth that you told me about. Flooring America Carpet Studio did this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So this was a big draw for the project. The pattern you can see in the background was here in the prior floor, and the church really wanted to bring that back when they remodeled the space. They contacted the architect, told them what they wanted. The architect got everything together, and we confirmed dimensions for them, sent the flooring to a manufacturer who waterjet cut all the pieces.
Okay.
So
for the labyrinth.
For the labyrinth,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
So when those come back to us, it's really kind of a big jigsaw puzzle for us, hundreds of pieces to put together. They did a really good job, and I think our team did as well getting it together. So.
Yeah. Is that one of the qualifications when you interview somebody, you like to do jigsaw puzzles?
Do you do jigsaw puzzles? Yeah, well that's a thing, right?
Yeah. Typically though, on a flooring job like this, I mean, this must have added significant amount of time.
It did. A lot of forethought, a lot of planning. You want to think the whole process through
Right.
before you start. Our team probably spent a week and a half in this center area, and then another week and a half to do the whole rest of the
whole
space.
thing,
So yeah.
So you guys have some amazing installers at your place.
We did. We did this with our in-house installers. We did not sub this out. We wanted to keep it tight, keep the controls in place. So
Yeah, love it.